More and more people these days are turning to one of the most popular businesses around, the business of affiliate marketing. In this business, there are no bosses, deadlines to meet, or piles of work that have to be finished by the end of the day. In order to succeed, you only need the necessary tools. There are basically 5 things you can't do without if you want to make it in the business of affiliate marketing. Below, you'll find each quality you'll need. 1. Desire to learn. The first quality you must possess is the desire to learn, coupled with the willingness to be trained. Treading through unfamiliar territory is tough indeed, especially if you're lacking the right knowledge. This is a combination of the right frame of mind, coupled with a strong work ethic. When starting out, you'll need to be willing to keep your eyes and ears open, using the experience of others to learn more as you go. 2. Invest time and effort. The second quality you must have is the willingness to invest time and effort in helping your business grow, even if you don't see immediate results. Even though weeks may pass without hearing good news, it's very important for anyone who wants to get their foot in the business world. 3. Determination. The third quality you'll need is determination. If you want to make it in the world of affiliate marketing, you must possess to push yourself forward. The ability to push yourself to greater heights will determine what type of future you have. 4. Discipline. The fourth quality is self-discipline. If you teach yourself to work every day with all of your heart and soul, you'll be that much closer to reaching your goals and making your dreams come true. 5. Optimism. The last quality you must have is optimism. Bad attitudes should never discourage an affiliate marketer from pursuing their dreams in order to make life better for themselves or anyone around them. The attitude you have towards the business should always be good, because you'll have to realize that you're the captain of your ship and you're the one steering it towards destiny. If you put the above tips to good use, you'll go farther than you ever thought possible in the world of affiliate marketing. You'll need these qualities to succeed, as affiliate marketing can be a cutting-edge career. With the above qualities, you'll do just fine in the industry. If you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe. See you in the next one.